Control panel. Digital display of temperature and time. Pneumatic device. Automatic control, even in stable pressure, up to 8 kilograms per square centimeter. Special base. T-shirt can insert into bottom platen, high efficiency and save labor. High strength spring. Effectively adjust the balance of heating plate and reduce pressure. Stop button. If emergency happens, you can press stop button, and the upper platen will automatically. Operation demo. Before starting, connect the air pipe to raise the heating plate. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Print quantity, when pressing 3 seconds. Manual mode. Automatic mode. Place T-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.